Water is a polar and bent molecule. Why is that? Let's find. Molecular formula of water is H2O. Water molecule has two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. The oxygen atom is covalently bonded to two hydrogen atoms, and this is shown by a solid line joining the oxygen atom and the two hydrogen atoms. A covalent bond is formed by mutual sharing of pair of electrons between the atoms involved in bond formation. But in case of water molecule, the bonding pairs of electrons is not equally shared, but rather it is unequally shared. The oxygen atom attracts or pulls the shared pair of bonding valence electrons close to itself, and this is shown by two arrowheads pointing towards the oxygen atom. The reason being, the oxygen atom is more electronegative than the hydrogen atoms. On a Pauling electronegativity scale, oxygen at a value of 3.5, while hydrogen atom has a value of 2.1. So oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen atom, and therefore it attracts or pulls the shared pair of bonding valence electrons closer to itself. And as a result, the two hydrogen atoms gains a partial positive charges, while the oxygen atom gains a partial negative charge, and this is shown by Greek symbol delta. Delta plus and delta minus, meaning partial positive charge and partial negative charge. Now, oxygen atom of water molecule has two lone pair of non-bonding electrons, and as a result, there is enormous repulsion between the two lone pairs of electrons on the oxygen atom and the two bonding pairs of electrons between the oxygen atom and the hydrogen atom. And as a result of this repulsion, the outcome is that the two bonds are pushed downwards in an attempt to minimize the repulsion. And that is how the water molecule gets the bent shape or a V shape. So oxygen atom has two lone pairs of electrons, and you can see the two bonding pairs of electrons as two solid lines joining or connecting the oxygen atom to the two hydrogen atoms. And that is how water has taken the shape of a bent molecule. Now, water molecule has taken up the shape of a bent molecule in order to minimize the repulsion between the lone pairs of electrons and the bonding pairs of electrons. And this leads to a V-shaped molecule with a bond angle of 105 degree, which is very close to that of the tetrahedral geometry, that is 109 degrees. Now the water molecule has a positive end and a negative end. Water molecule has a dipole. The crossed end is the positive end and the arrowhead is the negative end. The region between the two hydrogen atoms will be the positive end, while the oxygen atom will be the negative end. And that is how water is a polar and a bent molecule.